Hi, I'm Dennis Blosser, CEO of Marietta Silos and USA Silo Service. We're here today to answer some of your frequently asked questions regarding silo construction, inspection, repair, and silo cleaning. Now I'd like to talk to you about fluidized flow. Fluidized flow silos are typically used for fine granular powders such as cement or fly ash. This is a flat bottom designed silo. On the top of the bin floor, which holds the material up, you'll usually install a large section of air pads, which act much like the diffuser in a fish tank. If you remember when you were a kid and you had a fish tank, you put the little stone in there with the air hose, you turned it on and it bubbled all the air up through the fish tank. A fluidized silo works much the same way, except you have a dry powder. You put in a lot of these stones, which can be oriented in a crisscross pattern or in a circular pattern or on radial lines in the silo, typically around a discharge. You then take dry, compressed air, pump it into those stones or those air pads, and basically put enough air into the material to where it starts boiling or fluidizing. Then once you open up the discharge, your material is acting like a fluid and it discharges very easily out of the bottom of the silo. Thank you for watching our video series. If you have any questions about a silo, just give us a call. We like talking about silos as much as we like working on them.